Tired of feeling lost when you need bank support? Dealing with a specific transaction issue, or maybe just need a quick answer about your account? Getting in touch with your bank shouldn't feel like a treasure hunt. If you're a Relay Bank customer, you're in luck. They offer a few distinct ways to connect with their customer experience team, and we're going to walk through the quickest and easiest methods right now. Relay, which focuses on business banking, understands that your time is valuable. That's why their preferred and often fastest method of support is via their live chat feature. Here's how to access it. First, you need to be signed into your Relay account either through the desktop application at app.relayfi.com or via the Relay mobile app. Once you're logged in, look for the chat bubble or icon. Click it, and you will typically be able to start a conversation with their customer experience team. During business hours, which are typically Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, live chat generally offers the quickest response times, often within a minute. Now, what if you have a common question outside of those live support hours, or maybe you just prefer a self-service option? Relay has a virtual assistant available 24/7. This chatbot can instantly help you with quick answers, finding how-to guides, and answering common questions about Relay features. You can access the virtual assistant through the same chat bubble, even when you're not logged into your account, but for the best, most personalized help, it's always better to be signed in. Finally, for complex issues that can't be resolved quickly via chat, Relay does offer phone support. You can reach their customer experience team by phone at 1-888-205-9304. Just like the live chat, phone support is generally available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Keep in mind that wait times on the phone can sometimes be longer than on chat, so it's best to use this method for those more complicated needs. So, to recap the three main ways: live chat while logged in for the fastest response, the 24/7 virtual assistant for instant, common questions, and phone support at 1-888-205-9304 for complex issues during business hours. Choose the method that best suits your need at the moment, and you'll be connected with the help you need efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.